Today I'll teach you how to make money online. Go to your browser, and in your browser search for the web known as Pussyfy. Go there. The network is somewhat unstable. Yes, here it is. Then after there, click the first link. Then you'll be taken into this website. Then navigate it till looks something known as 2 realistic ways to make money online. Click on that point. Then here it is. Here I have the first one is automatic content generator, and the other one is a 3-day fast track challenge. Here you'll find a lot of things but the main important thing is this logo here. Click on the logo here, then fill your details. You'll only be charged 7 bob. Then after filling the details, you'll get an affiliate link to refer to your friend. As soon as you refer the affiliate link to your friend, there your 7 bob will be returned back. This it is 100% affiliate commission. Thank you for watching. Remember, below this video there is a link in the description. Also remember to subscribe and share. Thank you very much.